Cooking bones is one of the oldest and most powerful nutrition secrets in the world. When bones are slowly simmered for hours, they release collagen, minerals, and bone marrow into the broth. Collagen is essential for healthy joints, strong bones, glowing skin, and flexible muscles. As we age, our natural collagen production decreases, which can lead to joint pain, wrinkles, and weaker connective tissues. Bone broth made from slow-cooked bones is a natural and rich source of collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that support digestion and gut health. The bone marrow itself is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and nutrients that help strengthen the immune system and improve energy levels. Unlike supplements, collagen from bone broth is easily absorbed by the body. By simply cooking bones the right way, you turn something most people throw away into a powerful, healing food. Did you like this video? Don't forget to leave a like. Thank you.